Hello everyone, and today we received some interesting and unusual products from the company CountyComm. A little about this company. CountyComm designs, manufactures, and sells select products to federal, state, and local government agencies. However, surplus products are sold exclusively to the public on their official website, CountyComm.com. There you can buy flashlights, lighters, tools, chess sets, writing pens, and many other very interesting things. The company itself specializes in automatic and quartz watches with high-quality, durable wristwatches and tritium backlights. They offer a full line of tactical Maratac belts, flashlights, and over 100 military Zulu watch straps. Their unique EDC products are known all over the world. This company provides the civilian sector around the world with unique equipment of the highest quality. Let's talk a little more about what we have today. Tiger Stripe Custom Colossus Titanium Skull. This custom Colossus Titanium by Tony Fabrioli is designed and crafted with extreme detail, with hours of custom work including planning, polishing, and heat treating. The complex process used for these custom skulls is a painstaking process, and just look at how much work has gone into this. This is not just an accessory, but a true art object with a brutal character. This skull is made from high-quality grade 5 titanium, using a high-density induction vacuum casting process. They are then heated to over 3034 degrees Fahrenheit. 1,668 degrees Celsius, giving them unique color tones and strength. Each piece is the result of painstaking work, including planning, polishing, and heat treating, taking hours. You really have to hold one in your hands to appreciate the craftsmanship and attention to detail. Its dimensions are: length 62 mm by height, 50 mm by width, 39 mm. Each skull is unique due to the individual processing process. You can further customize its appearance yourself by gently heating the surface to reveal new color shades. In addition, the material allows drilling, welding, and threading, which opens up wide customization options to make a lanyard clutch, a lanyard, or even a drawer handle out of it. This titanium skull is hand-polished and can be a stylish addition to your EDC kit, serve as a keychain, paperweight, or simply as a pleasing-to-the-eye decorative element. Its strength and durability ensure that it will retain its appearance for many years. It is worth noting that the Tiger Stripe Custom Colossus Titanium Skull is a limited edition, and at the time of review, only a few copies are available. If you value unique and high-quality accessories, you should hurry up and purchase it. The next item is Pair Dice, Copper Dice Set. These copper dice are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing, making them a great addition to your gaming arsenal. Each die is crafted from a single piece of copper and measures 15 mm by 15 mm by 15 mm. Precisely machined on CNC machines, the edges and corners are perfectly even, ensuring a fair and balanced roll. The copper gives the dice a pleasant weight, making them especially enjoyable to use. Over time, the copper dice will oxidize and acquire a unique patina, making each pair truly unique. This natural process gives the dice a vintage and authentic look that is prized by many collectors and players. The set consists of 2 copper dice that are vacuum-packed with an anti-corrosion strip. This prevents premature oxidation and preserves their original appearance until the moment of first use. Next up is the 45 mm Titanium Heirloom Compass, plus wrist carry kit by Maratac. It comes in a protective case with 3 small pouches on the outside. Opening the case, we are greeted by a 22 mm orange nylon Maratac strap, allowing you to wear the compass on your wrist. Then inside there are also 3 pockets in which you will find a machined compass holder, stainless steel without magnetic treatment, as well as the compass itself in vacuum packaging. The Heirloom Dual Sapphire Titanium Compass was designed by several graduate students on the staff to guide them on their journey through life. The compass body is made from a single piece of grade 5 titanium, which ensures lightness and strength. The case diameter is 45 mm, and the thickness is 14 mm, which makes it compact and comfortable to wear. The weight is 1.5 ounces. The top lug is made of titanium and rotates freely, preventing the strap from twisting when worn on the wrist or in a pocket. Features and features: sapphire crystal. Both sides of the compass are equipped with sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, providing clear readings and protection against scratches. Luminescent coating. The compass needle is coated with Swiss Super Luminova Grade X1, providing a bright glow in the dark and easy to use in low light conditions. Magnetic stability. The compass is resistant to magnetic fields, which ensures accuracy even in difficult conditions. Next, let's talk about the Titanium Persuader Gen 2, a multi-tool from CountyComm. The Titanium Persuader Gen 2 is made from a single piece of titanium, making it lightweight and durable. The device is 6 inches long, about 15 centimeters, making it compact and easy to carry. At first glance, it resembles a regular pen or tablet stylus, allowing you to carry it openly in various situations. If necessary, it can be attached to a shirt pocket with a clip, giving it an even more inconspicuous appearance. It can be used as a tactical tool for self-defense or in extreme situations. Its compactness and inconspicuous appearance allow you to always have it on hand without attracting unnecessary attention. Only you will know of its power to move through a crowd, persuading others until it's too late. When properly used, the Persuader will allow you to make others move, turn, and even drop to their knees when necessary. Many will just plain run once they have had a taste of the Persuader. And the last thing we will discuss today is the exclusive Timascus Titanium XL Lighter from Maratac Limited Edition. This lighter is designed for those who value quality, reliability, and style. This model is distinguished by unique materials, high functionality, and advanced features that make it an ideal accessory for EDC enthusiasts, tourists, and collectors. In addition to the lighter, you will also find in the kit one spare filter, spare sealing rings, and several flints. First of all, it is worth noting that this model is released in a limited edition, only 100 copies. This emphasizes the exclusivity and uniqueness of each product, making it a desirable purchase for collectors and connoisseurs of high-quality accessories. The lighter is made of Timascus, a rare and stunning material that attracts attention with its mesmerizing patterns and bright colors. It is used in elite products such as knives, watches, and jewelry. The material has the strength of titanium, but remains lightweight and resistant to corrosion, making it ideal for everyday use. In addition, the process of creating Timascus requires high precision and craftsmanship, which makes each lighter a true work of art. The main body is made of 6Al4V titanium, which is easily painted by thermal anodizing. Titanium is often called the metal of the gods for its unique properties. A removable insert made of solid brass makes the lighter hermetic and allows you to use it as a waterproof capsule for storing small items. The dimensions of the lighter are 2.38 inches by 0.7 inches, approximately 60 millimeters by 18 millimeters, and weighs 37 grams. Timascus Titanium XL Lighter has an ergonomic design that ensures ease of use. Its size and shape are ideal for everyday wear, and the strength of the materials guarantees durability and reliability in any conditions. In addition, the use of high-quality materials ensures resistance to corrosion and mechanical damage. In conclusion, I would like to say that all these accessories from CountyComm and Maratac are a combination of quality, functionality, and stylish design. Regardless of whether you need a multifunctional tool, a reliable compass, an exclusive lighter, a collectible accessory, or an original game set, each of these things combines advanced technology, premium materials, and thoughtful design. These items are suitable for both everyday use and for collectors who value reliability and uniqueness in every detail. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.